5 companies are hiring remote workers with no interview required, no Zoom calls, no waiting. Just simple steps and fast approval. If you've been applying with no results, this video will help you find real options. I'll break down the pay, requirements, and how to get started. Let's jump in. Remote companies that do not require a formal interview are becoming more and more common, especially in customer support, gig-based work, AI training tasks, and micro-tasking platforms. These roles are great for beginners, career changers, stay-at-home parents, students, or anyone looking for flexible income without the pressure of a high-stakes interview. Each company in this video offers something different. Some let you work entirely on your own schedule. Some offer structured shifts. Some give you equipment, and 2 of these companies can become long-term career paths with promotion opportunities. I'm ranking them from easiest to most involved, and company number 3 offers full benefits and paid training in eligible regions. Make sure you keep watching because each opportunity has its own application tricks. If you're tired of being ghosted after submitting dozens of applications, you're not alone. Many job seekers get discouraged because traditional hiring processes are slow and unpredictable. That's exactly why I made this video. These companies streamline everything, letting you demonstrate your skills through assessments instead of interviews. If you're consistent and follow the steps, these opportunities can genuinely work for you. Before we jump into company number 1, make sure you download your free SMART or job search guide linked in the description. If you're applying to multiple companies, it helps you stay organized, track deadlines, and avoid missing important steps. Many viewers say it saves them hours and reduces the overwhelm. Grab it now, it's completely free and pairs perfectly with today's video. Now let's get into company number 1. LiveOps is a virtual call center that partners with major brands across insurance, retail, healthcare, roadside assistance, and more. If you enjoy helping people solve problems and you want flexibility in the hours you work, this is one of the most established platforms you can join. You're essentially an independent contractor taking inbound calls from customers who need help. Pay typically ranges around $10 to $18 per hour, depending on the campaign and your performance. Some campaigns offer slightly higher rates, especially those involving more complex support. You can also receive performance bonuses based on customer satisfaction and call quality. The more consistent and accurate you are, the more earning potential you unlock. The hiring process is straightforward and completely online. First, you sign up and fill in your basic information. Then you take assessments that test multitasking, communication skills, and attention to detail. These are not difficult, but you do need to stay focused and answer honestly. After that, LiveOps runs a background check. Once approved, you choose the specific campaign you want to support and begin training. There are no live interviews whatsoever. Requirements include a Windows computer, a USB headset, high-speed internet, and, very importantly, a quiet workspace. LiveOps is very strict about background noise, especially during customer calls. If you can create a calm working environment and handle calls professionally, this job can offer stable, flexible income. LiveOps is perfect for people who enjoy customer service and who feel comfortable speaking with customers, but still want to control their own schedule. If that's not your style and you prefer working quietly on your own without calls or conversations, then company number 2 will be right up your alley. Let's move to a completely no phone call option next. Quick question, would you try LiveOps? Type YES or NO in the comments. Your feedback helps me know which types of jobs you want more videos about. Company number 2 is perfect for people who prefer quiet work and flexible tasks that can be done anytime, from anywhere. No phones, no meetings, no set shifts, just simple online jobs. Clickworker is a global micro-task platform where companies outsource small jobs like data entry, research, writing, categorization, and AI training. It's great for people who want casual income and enjoy working independently. You can log in whenever you want, pick a task, complete it, and get paid. There's no manager watching you and no minimum hours required. Tasks can range from quick surveys to short writing pieces, AI image descriptions, product tagging, and small research assignments. Pay varies widely depending on the complexity and availability of projects. Many users earn around $5 to $15 per hour, depending on how fast they work and what tasks are available. Higher paying tasks unlock the more skills you demonstrate through qualification tests. Getting started is simple. First, create a free account. Next, complete identity verification and begin taking qualification tests. These tests are short and help Clickworker understand what you're good at, whether it's writing, categorizing, or reviewing AI outputs. Once you pass a few of them, your dashboard opens up with more job opportunities. All you need to work on Clickworker is a computer or smartphone and a stable internet connection. To make the most money, complete every qualification test available and focus on accuracy. Higher accuracy means more tasks and better pay. Think of Clickworker as a flexible earning tool you can pick up whenever you have a few spare minutes. Before we move on to company number 3, the one many of you are waiting for, here's something helpful. If you're applying to several jobs and want to stay organized, check out my Job Search Success Kit. It includes planners, trackers, and scripts to help you stay consistent. The link is in the description. Now, let's get into the company that offers paid training, equipment, and benefits in eligible regions, Apple. Company number 3 is a big one, Apple. Yes, the same Apple that makes the iPhone, MacBook, and everything else we use daily. Their at-home advisor program hires remote workers to support customers from home. And while there is an application process, the early stages rely heavily on assessments rather than traditional interviews. For many people, this is their first real shot at breaking into a global tech company. Quick question. If an Apple at-home advisor role opened in your area, would you apply? Comment yes, Apple, or not for me. I'm always curious how many people in this community aim for long-term corporate roles versus flexible side income. At-home advisors help customers troubleshoot Apple devices through phone, chat, or email, depending on your team. You don't need deep technical knowledge to apply. Apple gives you complete training on their systems, their processes, and their support scripts. You become the friendly, patient person on the other end guiding people through issues with their iPhone or Mac. If you're someone who enjoys helping people and wants a consistent, stable job, this is one of the strongest options out there. Apple typically pays in the high teens to mid-20s per hour depending on your region and role. The best part? Apple provides benefits in eligible locations, including paid time off, retirement plans, and employee discounts. You also receive a Mac computer and headset as part of your work-from-home setup. The training is fully paid, which means you're earning from day one, even before taking your first customer call. Here's how Apple's hiring process works. Step 1, you submit your application online. Step 2, you complete online assessments that measure communication skills, customer empathy, and problem solving. Some locations require a short recorded response where you answer questions at your own pace, not a live interview. Only after passing these steps do you move on to a brief conversation with a recruiter to confirm details. Many people never realize this, but the assessments carry the most weight in Apple's decision. To qualify, you'll need high-speed internet, a quiet workspace, and the ability to commit to scheduled shifts. Apple's training lasts 4 to 6 weeks and covers everything from device troubleshooting to communication best practices. The training is thorough and structured, so even if you're new to tech, you'll get the support you need to feel confident. This role is ideal for people who want stability, predictable pay, and long-term growth. But if you prefer something more flexible, something you can pick up and put down anytime, company number 4 is built exactly for that. Let's move on to Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, often called MTurk, is a marketplace for tiny online tasks known as HITS, Human Intelligence Tasks. These tasks help companies clean data, improve AI systems, classify content, and verify information. You can work whenever you want, and you're in full control of your workload. It's perfect for people who want extremely flexible earning opportunities. Here's what the tasks look like: reviewing and categorizing images, answering short surveys, helping train AI by rating outputs, fixing small pieces of text, or verifying product information. Some hits take only 30 seconds, some take several minutes. You might earn a few cents to a few dollars per task depending on complexity. MTurk is not a full-time income source. Beginners often earn a few dollars per hour while learning which tasks are efficient. Experienced workers can earn more by selecting high-quality hits and working during peak hours. Think of MTurk as a flexible, pick-up-when-you-want option rather than a replacement for a full paycheck. Here are some real strategies used by experienced MTurk workers. Maintain a high approval rating. This unlocks better tasks. Use browser extensions that help you spot high-value hits quickly. Work during US daytime hours when more hits are available. And focus on requesters with strong reviews so you don't waste time on low-paying or unreliable tasks. MTurk is great for people who want super flexible income with no commitment. But the final company on our list offers the highest earning potential if you can type quickly and accurately. Let's finish strong with company number 5. Before we get to the final company, download your free Smart job search guide below. It keeps your job search organized and focused. If you want a full system with planners and scripts, my job search success kit is also linked. You'll find tools like resume.io, JobScan, and Fiverr there too. Now let's finish with the company fast typists love, Rev. Rev hires transcriptionists, captioners, and translators to help process audio and video content for major brands. This means you listen to recordings and type what you hear, create captions for videos, or translate content depending on the department you're in. There's no interview, just a skills test. It's one of the most beginner-friendly paths into transcription work. Pay is based on audio minutes. Beginners typically earn around $10 to $15 per hour while learning. But as your typing speed and accuracy improve, and as you learn how to select files that match your strengths, you can earn more depending on availability, complexity, and your efficiency. Rev is perfect for people who love detail-oriented work and enjoy listening while typing. To apply, you'll complete a short transcription sample. Review Rev's style guide carefully before starting. It explains formatting, grammar rules, speaker labels, and common mistakes to avoid. Most beginners don't pass on their first attempt because they rush. Take your time, aim for clarity, and follow the rules. Once accepted, you'll get access to the job marketplace and can work whenever you want.